Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. In this video, we'll review all the key vocabulary from the previous stories to help you improve your English. Let's get started.
Cake,
cake,
Frosting.
frosting,
Candles.
candles,
Hide and seek.
hide and seek,
Yard.
yard,
Celebrate.
celebrate,
A wish.
a wish,
A present.
a present,
juice,
juice,
sing,
sing,
small, small, big, big,
Father. Father. Mother. Mother.
sister,
Sister. Brother. Brother. Siblings. Siblings.
house, house,
Garden.
garden,
Teacher. Teacher.
school,
School. Nurse. Nurse. Hospital. Hospital.
sick, sick,
Breakfast.
breakfast,
Dinner. Dinner. Together. Together.
picnic, picnic,
Bench.
bench, laugh, laugh,
Funny. Funny. Favorite. Favorite. Prefer. Prefer. Drawing.
drawing, enjoy, enjoy, eat, eat, drink,
To live, to live. Subject, subject. Literature, literature. Books, books. Words, words. Read, read. Language, language. Culture, culture. Music, music. Listen, listen. Watch, watch. Movies, movies. Ride, ride. Bike, bike. New, new. Amazing, amazing. Paint, paint. Painting, painting. Chess, chess. Friends, friends. Pictures, pictures. Flowers, flowers. Animals, animals. Sky, sky. Want, want. Try, try. Visit, visit. Play, play. Go, go. Learn, learn. Singer, singer. Voice, voice. Food, food. Happy, happy. Dream, dream. Annoy, annoy. Weather, weather. Sunny, sunny. Rainy, rainy. Warm, warm. Cool, cool. People, people. Different, different. Hobby, hobby. Work, work. Busy, busy.
Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.